In today's show, altcoins soar while Bitcoin and Ethereum price stall near key levels. That's right, yesterday Bitcoin surpassed 40,000 but was met with stiff resistance. I'll be breaking down the latest technical analysis for you right here in today's show. Also breaking news, billionaire Carl Icahn says he may drop up to $1.5 billion into crypto. That's right, former crypto skeptic Carl Icahn and founder of Icahn Enterprises told Bloomberg he's set to enter the crypto market in a big way, teasing an investment of around $1.5 billion. And if you're not familiar with Icahn, he's the former advisor to the Trump administration who has a net worth of $15.6 billion, according to Forbes. And crypto investor Ryan Adams makes a great point. If Carl Icahn hasn't already bought $1 billion worth of Ethereum and Bitcoin, why would he announce he's about to buy $1 billion worth of Ethereum and Bitcoin? Giving all the plebs the opportunity to front run him just doesn't make sense. I'll be breaking down all the highlights for you here from this Bloomberg interview. Also in today's episode, Plan B says he's selling his Bitcoin at this price level, and it's not 288,000 as the stock to flow X model predicts before the end of this year. Also breaking news, PayPal users will be able to withdraw their crypto to external wallets. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, keep in mind that PayPal has over 392 million registered accounts worldwide. Also in today's show, more breaking news. Goldman Sachs predicts Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin as a store of value. That's right, quoting Goldman Sachs Global Macro Research right here. Ether beats Bitcoin as a store of value. The Ethereum ecosystem provides developers a way to create new apps. Most of the DeFi apps are being built on Ethereum. The greater number of transactions in Ether versus Bitcoin reflects this dominance. I'll be breaking this down for you. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum barely in the red, looking to break some key resistance levels. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium Crypto News Alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, today's episode is brought to you by our sponsor, Blockfi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work. They're currently paying out a 5% annual percentage yield on Bitcoin, so we can literally have your Satoshis work for you. And if that's not good enough, you could earn 10% APY on stablecoins. They also have a new product they just released, which is a Blockfi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card where you can earn 1.5% Bitcoin back on all purchases for life. And if you use my referral link in the description right down below, they have a special promo where you'll receive 3.5% Bitcoin back on all purchases within your first 90 days. And it gets even better. They just ditch their annual fee, truly making this a no-brainer. So to take advantage of this, click my referral link in the description right down below. It'll take you here, and you could also get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $100 or more. Click the button you see here. You'll notice the referral code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special offer. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below. Let's start stacking those sats, yo, and claim your Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card from Blockfi today. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. Lots of breaking news to cover, so let's just dive right in, shall we? On Wednesday, the bullish momentum that had propelled Bitcoin and the alts into a relief rally was somewhat subdued as traders remain unsure as what may happen next. After an early morning attempt by the Bitcoin bulls to drive Bitcoin's price above 40K, it was met with stiff resistance, and the digital asset lost the momentum and slumped back to the $38,000 support level. Right here, you're looking at the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, but despite the continued struggle, a few positive signs, such as a decline in Bitcoin exchange deposits and an uptrend in addresses accumulating Bitcoin, suggest that the bears have stopped selling and the worst of the downturn may have passed. That's right, I feel we already hit our bottom from this correction, which I believe was at around that $30,000 mark. Let me know if you agree in the comments below. Earlier in the day, Ether also rallied close to that $3,000 level, but the pullback in Bitcoin price saw the top altcoin fall below $2,800. But Polygon, better known as Matic, is currently leading the altcoin charge. While the majority of the cryptos were well below their recently established highs, Polygon/Matic price bucked the trend by seeking out a clear V-shaped recovery. The altcoin rallied higher today as the project announced the launch of its SDK stack that will allow developers to easily deploy their own Ethereum-connected blockchains. And right here, you're looking at the Matic 4-hour chart, which is looking bullish as ever. And since Tuesday, Matic has rallied 50% from a low of $1.51 to an intraday high of $2.44 on Wednesday. And according to data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro, market conditions for Matic have been favorable for some time. The vortex Vortex score, which is exclusive to Cointelegraph, is an algorithmic comparison of historic and current market conditions derived from a combo of data points including market sentiment, trading volume, recent price movements, as well as Twitter activity. And as you can see right here in this chart, it shows Vortex score for Matic has been in the green zone for most of the past week and registered a high of 94 several times on Tuesday, around 7 hours before the price increased by over 50% the next day. Other notable performances include an 89% gain for Scale Network, SKL, and a 67% rally from Engine Coin, ENJ. Let's go. Origin Protocol also gained 53%, and the overall crypto market cap now stands at 1.7 trillion, with the Bitcoin dominance rate at about 42.5%. And before I break down our next breaking story of the day, billionaire Carl Icahn says he may drop up to $1.5 billion into crypto, as well as Plan B says he's selling his Bitcoin at this price level, and it's not $288,000, as well as more breaking news that PayPal users will be able to withdraw their crypto to external wallets, as well as Goldman Sachs predicting that Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin as a store of value. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin in recovery mode, down 1% for the day, looking to reattempt to break that 40K resistance, currently trading just above 39,200. We have Ethereum down 1%, trading just under 2,800 bucks. We have Cardano down about 1%, trading at $1.73. Chainlink up 9%, trading above 34 bucks, and XRP down about 1.5%, trading at $1 even. All right, now let's break down our next breaking story of the day. Former crypto skeptic Carl Icahn, the founder of Icahn Enterprises, told Bloomberg he's set to enter the crypto market in a big way, teasing an investment of around $1.5 billion. Icahn is an investor and former advisor to the Trump administration who has a net worth of $15.6 billion, according to Forbes. And in 2018, Icahn told CNBC that crypto is ridiculous and added, maybe I'm too old for them, but I wouldn't touch that stuff. But speaking on Wednesday, Icahn explained that he's now considering a large investment and that entering the market in such a manner would not be to buy a few coins or something, quoting him from this interview. I mean, a big way for us would be $1 billion, $1.5 billion. I'm not going to say exactly. Icahn joins a growing list of fellow billionaires who have changed their tune over crypto in the past 12 months, including people like Ray Dalio. And when asked about which cryptocurrencies he has his eyes on, the billionaire kept his cards close to his chest and emphasized the following: much of the cryptocurrency issued today will not survive, but we believe cryptocurrency in one form or another might be here to stay. To be clear, we have never bought any cryptocurrency, but we are studying it. Icahn believes that cryptocurrencies that don't at least serve as a store of value will be flushed out of the market, as there's got to be some form of safety of value there to survive. Icahn Enterprises is a $14.5 billion American conglomerate with investments in CVR, Pep Boys, as well as the Trump Entertainment Resorts. And as Michael Saylor tweeted here, maybe Carl Icahn will be the first Bitcoin Terra Chad. Also, we have Ryan Adams, Ether proponent and founder of crypto investment firm Mythos Capital, as well as Bankless, speculated on Twitter that Icahn's recent kite flying in the media may indicate that he has already entered the market. And Ryan Adams makes a great point. If Carl Icahn hasn't already bought $1 billion worth of Ethereum and Bitcoin, why would he announce he's about to buy $1 billion worth of Ethereum and Bitcoin, allowing the plebs to all front run him? Typically, investors do so discreetly behind the scenes. They make a big announcement because now they want others to buy it so that those crypto investments can continue to go up. That's just the name of the game. This is chess, not checkers. Now, the billionaire expanded further on his views about crypto to Bloomberg, saying he now thinks that skepticism over the value of crypto is a little wrong-headed, as he questions the intrinsic value of the US dollar in comparison to crypto, which could be a store of value and hedge against inflation. Quoting him again here, well, what's the value of the dollar? The only value of the dollar really is because you can use it to pay taxes. So there you have it. And when Icahn was asked, what's your use case for crypto? The 85-year-old spoke about the Ethereum network, noting that with Ethereum, it's the underlying blockchain. So Ethereum has two things. You can use it as a payment system and you can use it as a store of value. Bitcoin to me is just a store of value. So the billionaire is ultimately hinting that he's interested in Bitcoin and Ethereum specifically. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. The crypto analyst, best known for pioneering the use of the stock-to-flow model and predicting Bitcoin's trajectory, unveils that he is willing to part with his Bitcoin at a certain price level. In a new tweet, Plan B tells his 513,000 followers that he's prepared to hold the leading crypto asset either to his target price or to zero. Quoting him here, I see my Bitcoin investment as a call option. I will either write it to zero or 1 million plus and size my initial position accordingly. While the crypto analysts had previously predicted Bitcoin will hit 100,000 based on the stock to flow model, as well as 288,000 based on stock to flow X model, his focus is now on the bet that Bitcoin's upside potential is greater than the downside risk. Quoting him again here, I am less interested in 100,000 to 288,000, but focused on 2024 halving and beyond. I don't care about volatility. Asymmetric returns is key. 0 versus $1 million. Plan B also recently tweeted, in the chart you see at what price level each of the total 18.7 million Bitcoin was last move. So what happened in May? Weak hands sold 1 million BTC in May at 30 to 35,000, which they bought back in April at $55 to $60,000, a staggering $20 billion loss. The good news, these 1 million Bitcoin are now in strong hands. That's right, as you can see right here on your screen. And before I break down our next breaking story of the day, PayPal users will be able to withdraw their crypto to external wallets, as well as Goldman Sachs predicts that Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin as a store of value. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting just above 1.7 trillion with 152 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance sitting at 42.6%, with the Ethereum dominance at 18.7%. Now checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have ENJ leading the pack up a whopping 33% for the day, trading at $1.82. Let's go ENJ. Nexo up almost 20%, trading at $2.52. Live Peer up almost 18%, trading at $31. Chili's up almost 14%, trading at 31 cents, and Stacks up 12.4%, trading at $1.17. Now checking out the top losers within the top 100, we have Revain down 12%, trading at 1.4 cents. Shiba down 7%, trading at virtually nothing. Holo down 7%, trading at a penny. Now, out of this list of the top gainers and losers, which altcoins are you currently most bullish on during this bull run? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now, checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 27 in fear. Yesterday was a 22 in extreme fear. Last week, an 11 in extreme fear. And last month, a 50, which is neutral. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. PayPal's embrace of cryptos appear to be growing after the payments provider revealed it would allow users to withdraw their digital assets to third-party wallets. About time. What they've been waiting on. They've just been holding all of this crypto for themselves. We all know, not your keys, not your crypto. So it's about time they allow their users to withdraw it into their own external wallets. The news, which was reported by Reuters on Wednesday afternoon, comes just 7 months after PayPal first enabled crypto purchases on its platform. At the time, the decision was heralded as a major milestone in the mainstream recognition of digital assets. Now, this is a pretty big deal considering PayPal has over 392 million registered accounts. Now, check this out. This meme sums it up pretty well. PayPal looks into Bitcoin. PayPal sells Bitcoin to its customers. PayPal allows making purchases in Bitcoin, and PayPal allows users to withdraw their Bitcoin. Laser eyes all day. Let's go. Now, we all know this is massively bullish, but now for the caveat, neither Reuters nor PayPal has specified when the crypto withdrawal feature would be supported. If it's anything like PayPal's decision to enable crypto purchases last fall, the initial rollout of 1/3 of the party wallets could be gradual and location-based. PayPal's embrace of crypto appears to be rooted in a clearly defined strategy that sees digital assets use cases rapidly growing over time. As Cointelegraph previously reported, CEO Dan Schulman believes that we will see a tremendous decline in the use of cash over the next decade, adding the following. All form factors of payment will collapse into the mobile phone. Credit cards as a form factor will go away, and we'll use your phone because a phone can add much more value than just tapping your credit card. And earlier this month, Schulman also indicated that PayPal's crypto business was already paying dividends for the company. We've got a tremendous amount of really great results going on tactically with our crypto efforts, he shared. Now, before I break down our next breaking story of the day, Goldman Sachs predicts that Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin as a store of value. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 790 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also have some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsjest.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And for those of you on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. And for those of you on TikTok, be sure to follow me there. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Investment banking goliath Goldman Sachs says that Ethereum will likely beat Bitcoin as a store of value. Like, whoa, right? Excerpts from the bank's research paper shared by Santiago Roel Santos, general partner at blockchain-focused investment firm ParaFi Capital, highlights Ethereum's fundamental advantages over Bitcoin, quoting them right here. Given the importance of real uses in determining store value, Ethereum has a high chance of overtaking Bitcoin as the dominant digital store value. The Ethereum ecosystem supports smart contracts and provides developers a new way to create new applications on its platform. Most decentralized finance, better known as DeFi applications, are being built on the Ethereum network, and most non-fungible tokens, NFT issues, today are purchased using Ether. The great number of transactions in Ether versus Bitcoin reflects this dominance. And as cryptocurrency use in DeFi and NFTs become more widespread, Ethereum will build its own first mover's advantage in applied crypto technology. Goldman Sachs also says that Bitcoin's provable scarcity does not guarantee its dominance as a store value asset. Quoting them again here, a major argument in favor of Bitcoin as a store value is its limited supply, but demand, not scarcity, drives the success of stores of value. In fact, a fixed and limited supply risk driving up the price volatility by incentivizing hoarding, potentially creating financial bubbles. Goldman Sachs' bullish take on Ethereum comes as the banking giant recognizes crypto as the new asset class. Goldman Sachs commodity analysts Mikhail Spragus and Jeff Curry, global head of commodities research, for their part, argue that cryptos can act as stores of value, but only if they have other real-world uses that create value and temper price volatility. This, they say, best positions cryptos whose blockchains offer the greatest potential for such uses, like Ether, to become a dominant digital store value. More broadly, Curie contends that cryptos are a new asset class that derive their value from the information being verified and the size and the growth of their networks. An analyst from the bank also shines the spotlight on Bitcoin, emphasizing its strong performance in the last 7 years. A small allocation to Bitcoin in a standard US 60/40 portfolio since 2014 would have led to strong outperformance, owing both to higher risk-adjusted returns for Bitcoin compared to the S&P 500 and US 10-year bonds, as well as diversification benefits from relatively low correlations between Bitcoin and other assets. So there you have it. Do you feel that Ethereum could likely overtake Bitcoin as a store of value? Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments right down below. Personally, I feel the Ethereum market cap could surpass that of Bitcoin, but I do not feel that Ethereum will become the dominant store of value for many factors, including scarcity. With Bitcoin, there could only ever be 21 million coins in existence, so it has true scarcity. And let's not forget, it's decentralized. We cannot say the same thing about Ethereum. I also feel that Ethereum is not competing with Bitcoin because they're two completely different technologies that can both coexist simultaneously in harmony, and they will continue to do so. However, I am bullish on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. I love them both, and I hope they both go to the moon. Now for a quick recap, what I covered with you right here in today's show. Altcoins soar while Bitcoin and Ethereum price stall near key levels. Also in today's show, I shared breaking news that billionaire Carl Icahn says he may drop up to $1.5 billion into crypto, hinting Bitcoin and Ethereum. Also in today's show, I shared that Plan B says he's selling his Bitcoin at this price level, and it's not $288,000. Also in today's show, I shared breaking news that PayPal users will be able to withdraw their crypto to external wallets. This is massively bullish considering PayPal has over 392 million registered accounts. Also in today's show, I shared that Goldman Sachs predicts Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin as a store of value. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick before I go, I want to give a special shout out to Blockfi, where you can put your crypto to work and earn a 5% annual percentage yield on Bitcoin and literally have your Satoshis work for you, or even earn 10% APY on stablecoins. They also recently released their Blockfi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card, where you can earn 1.5% back in Bitcoin on all purchases for life, including with this promo by using my referral link in the description below, 3.5% Bitcoin back on all purchases for your first 90 days. They even ditched the annual fee, truly making this a no-brainer. So go ahead and smash the link right down below this video in the description. Let's start stacking those sats and claim your Blockfi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card, and let's get it.